Hey my beautiful people, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video and welcome back to my channel. As I am so grateful that you tuned into this video, and I am so excited for you guys to see these beautiful luxury fragrances that are budget friendly. It's none other than the brand by Dossier. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it.
I am enough as I am fully equipped. Even when the tide and the current start to shift, I am adaptable.
So the two fragrances that I chose for this month, are you guys ready? I'm ready. Is Ambery Vanilla and Ambery Cedarwood. Let's go ahead and start with the Ambery Vanilla review. When you open the box of Dossier's products, you get a beautiful message that says, iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. Yes, that is very true. So you also get in the packaging all the information that is about your fragrance that you picked out. My top notes for this fragrance is mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. And this is also inspired by YSL Black Opium. So I'm so excited to see what this is like. Nothing but great reviews for this type of perfume. So I'm so excited to finally have it in my hands and test it out. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm smelling the vanilla first off. I'm smelling the vanilla. I'm smelling the beautiful, almost slight undertone of the licorice, which is very, very subtle. It's not strong at all. It's a very, very, very nice, subtle licorice smell. But most of all, I'm smelling the true vanilla. The true vanilla in this scent. It also has base notes of cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. So it's one of those scents to me that is very warm. It's a very warm, comforting scent, but very feminine. It gives you more of like that out on the town kind of scent. You're all dressed up cute, or even just casual, who cares? But it just gives me rich, it gives me very nice, very cozy, very comforting kind of scent you would want to smell like, you know, almost during fall in a sense. It's a very beautiful, sensual, and feminine scent. I really, really, I love this. This Ambery Vanilla right here, you guys have got to check this scent out. This, oh my gosh. Very, very beautiful. We'll also do a overview of all the little keynotes so you guys can see it for yourself. You can check them out so you know to have your list together, and be sure to check it out on the website and add that to your cart. So the next scent I got was the Ambery Cedarwood. Again, same type of packaging. When this box ships, I have to mention that Dossier does care about how they ship their perfumes. You're not gonna just get it in any kind of little, you know, one of those little envelope packaging. You're gonna get it in a nice firm box with bubble wrap in the package. If it's not bubble wrap, sometimes it will be the brown paper guarding the packages for your perfumes. So don't think that when you get the perfumes, they're just gonna be all shuffled around in the box and it's causing the perfumes to be ruined. They care about the integrity of their packaging, and I truly respect that, because it allows me to know my perfumes will be in good hands when it arrives to me. Next perfume is the Ambery Cedarwood. Okay, you guys? This one has mandarin, cardamom, and orange blossom. Those are the top notes in this fragrance. This fragrance is also inspired by Thierry Mugler Alien. So it's inspired by the high-end brand perfumes that you would purchase, you know, at any little fragrance counter or wherever. But with Dossier, you are allowed to experience those fragrances at a budget-friendly price, which in my mind is definitely an outstanding offer that I'll take. So with this Ambery Cedarwood, let's go ahead and see how this one smells. Oh yes, this It almost smells like something I'm very familiar with. It's very clean. It has a clean, flowery spring scent. You guys, this one is amazing. Amazing. This one has a very beautiful, fresh scent. I love that, because any scent that has a fresh smell, smells like flowers and girly, gives you that kind of vibe. I love it. And it's not overwhelming. You know what I mean? I think we all can relate on scents that can be very overwhelming, where it just gives you that headache in a sense. This scent is not one of them. Both of these scents aren't one of them. So I definitely recommend the Ambery Cedarwood. It has a fresh scent that I think any woman wouldn't be disappointed with. For my first impression on these two fragrances, I think I'm pretty pleased. I am pretty pleased. Like, Dossier has not disappointed on these fragrances that I've had so far by them. And till this day, I am still rocking them. I am still wearing them. And I couldn't be more happier with these scents. And I love the fact that with Dossier, if I am low in stock on a certain perfume that I love, or I just need to have a backup perfume of the one that I love or one that I want to try, I am able to get them at Walmart. You guys, yes, they are now selling in Walmart. So make sure you guys check out your local Walmarts. They are on the shelves as we speak. I'm gonna show you a clip right now. My Walmart fully stocked on some, so let me go ahead and show you guys. So now that you see, my Walmart has fully stocked on pretty much some of the perfumes. I am so excited for that. I'm able to go to my local Walmart, purchase some at any given time. If I just don't want to wait for them to ship to me, I'm able to say, hey, let me go grab that favorite one that I like, or let me try another one. You know, you guys, like, you can't beat that at all. And the quantity and quality that you're getting with these perfumes, I don't think you can beat that. So with that being said, with Dossier's perfumes, make sure you guys check out the website at dossier.co and get your fragrances right now today. At least add them to the cart, because I know you have plans of getting them. And they also have a policy that states that 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you just so happen to not care for it or want to simply try something else, you are in good hands with Dossier. So definitely check out their website. I thank you again so much, Dossier, for sending me these perfumes. I love them as always. And until next time, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Bye.
Been for a while and a good time. When we ain't stressed out, just good wine. When I look in the mirror, I look fine. Good people, times, and good wine. Good wine. Good wine.